In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear recent activity in Google Drive. Managing your Google Drive can often feel like quite the task, especially when recent activity starts to pile up, making it difficult to find the files you truly need. It's important to keep things tidy and organized so you can focus on what's essential. Today, we'll take a step-by-step approach to not only clear your recent activity, but also keep your drive running smoothly. First, you need to head over to Google Drive. Open up your web browser and type in Google Drive. Click on the link and sign in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, you'll see the My Drive section where all your files are stored. It's from here that we're going to be doing most of the work. Now let's start by identifying the files you wish to remove from your recent activity. By removing these files, we ensure that your drive feels less cluttered. Click on the file you wish to clear from your recent activity list. You'll notice a range of options appearing at the top, but what you want to do is click on the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. This brings up several options such as Move to Trash, which is precisely our next step. Once you've clicked on Move to Trash, the selected file will be shifted to the trash section of your drive. Don't worry, the file isn't permanently deleted yet. It's just moved from the view, giving your drive a cleaner appearance already. To permanently delete the files and truly clear them from recent activity, locate the Trash option on the left side of your drive. Click on Trash, and you'll see all the files you've previously moved here. This is the moment where you can make the deletion permanent. Find the three dots again within the Trash section for each file, or you can select multiple files if you want to delete several at once. After clicking the three dots, select Delete Forever. This will prompt a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure about permanently deleting the files. Once you confirm, the files are completely removed from your drive, tidying up your storage and clearing them from any recent activity logs. It's always healthy to keep an eye on this trash section, as Google Drive does retain files here for some time unless you perform this final step regularly. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to clear recent activity from your Google Drive, keeping it organized and much easier to navigate. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful in maintaining an efficient digital workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.